We are on Wonder of the Seas. This is our balcony cabin. It is on deck 6 in room 324. Right away you can see we have the king bed, and then this is the room. Start just walking through. Got a nice little desk, the couch, some drawers, very similar to like the Symphony class ships. And then this is our balcony. Comes with 2 chairs, little table. We're still yet in Port Canaveral, but see, this is the view into the room from the balcony. One thing that's different from this, the Symphony, is the bed on the Symphony was right by the balcony, where this one has the bed first and then the couch is by the balcony area. If we come back inside, you can see the couch is a nice sized little couch. Here's a better view of the desk, and then we have some storage over here. The drawers are nice and spacious. Then we have the bigger top drawer with the hairdryer, and similar to the last ones, we have a nice little refrigerator. Not too bad. Then we can switch around. That's the bed. It is the king size. The only thing is it's 2 twins that are put together, or yeah, 2 fulls that are together, so there is the line down the middle. We'll look at our closet. Nice big size closet with good hanging space. Then let's take a look over to the other side. Have the phone and the lamps on either side of the bed. This closet has the little safe in it, some shelves, and a nice hanging area. And the drawers over here are nice, decent size for drawers. As usual, you can see under the bed there's a good amount of space. You can put your luggages in there. And lastly, this is the bathroom. So we have a nice corner shower. They have the body wash and hair wash in the shower. And then you can see the rest of the bathroom. Nice little toilet, everything drains. And we have the rest of the stuff, some soap, the glasses, and the nice little racks. The only thing I will say is that is hair and body wash. I did not see that they gave us any shampoo and conditioner on this one. On the last one on the Symphony, we did get that. But on this one, it's just the hair and body wash in the shower. So if you have specific shampoo, go ahead and bring that. We'll close that back up. And that's our door. So that is the room on the Royal Caribbean Wonder of the Seas. Again, this is a balcony room on deck 6.